So here we're asked to find the greatest common factor of these three numbers, and we can actually use the answer choices here. First off, 0 is out because 0 is not a factor of any of these. In fact, division by 0 is not defined. So 0 is not a factor. 1, of course, will divide all three of these numbers, so that's a possibility. For 2, you just look at, does 2 is a common factor to all of those? Well, that's odd, so we know 2 is not. And for 3, we just divide each one of these by 3. Yes, this is divisible by 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. This is not divisible by 3. This one is. So 3 is not even a common factor, let alone a greatest common factor. So here, the answer is 1. If you weren't using the answer choices, what we're looking for is the general way to do this is to look for a common number that divides them all, and you start with the smallest prime. So in this case, you start with 2. 2 doesn't divide all of these. Then you go to 3. 3 doesn't divide 50. Then you go to the next prime, 5. 5 doesn't divide 84. Then you go to 7. 7 only divides 84. And so you keep going until you figure out the greatest a piece that divides all of them. A third approach, and again, this is only important for the harder questions, is to do the prime factorization. So 45, for example, 3 times 15 or 9 times 45. So that's the prime factorization. 50 would be 2 times 5 square, and 84 is 7 times 12. So that's 2 square, 3 to the 1, 7 to the 1. And you'll see there's no common prime to any of these. So 1 is the greatest common factor. So the answer is B.